Smacky Dokie. I only see hands. We only have one hand available. So, hold on and I'll be back. So, here's the new shower head, and here it is in all its glory. And this is the bottom, that is the middle, and there is the top, and you'll see me in this video, obviously. Hello. And there's this. See that? It's purple. Jeez, gemstone there to like maneuver the shower head, I guess. I don't know. It's funny because a friend of mine, she's joking, is afraid of the color purple, and I'm like, I'm gonna be able to use my shower. So here is the instructions. See, like, yeah, Beautimus. Now I go in my shower. And look, this is what I was talking about. And it's loud because the light to put on the shower has the little fanny thingy. So what's been happening, because you see this here is gross, it was wrapped around because it was, the water was dripping, drip, 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 drip. Like this thing's getting rusty. And then it would splash off of here, fly out like, boom, and get the floor wet. So, first things first, so I gotta take this thing off. No, that's not gonna happen. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this, and where'd that bag go? I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna leak or something. So, I don't know, let's put it over there. Maybe I can take it apart. I don't know. Let's try this, people. It's getting any looser. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it this way, feels looser. The water's leaking. Oh my god, what did I tell you? Oh my god. Now I'm getting wet. Sorry. Taking off the shower head. Oh, it's all rusty. Oh my god, it's nasty. Look at that, it's nasty. Ugh. Put it in here. Okay, see, look. Look how nasty that is. Ew, gross. Gross. No. Oh my god. Oh, it was like peeing. Holy moly, shamoli, Batman. Am I even like doing this right? Oh yeah, I'm getting there. Oh my god, this thing's heavy. Like way overdue. It's a big cleaned. I needed a new filter like ages ago. This thing weighs a yeah, that's smart. I took my socks off before I got in here. Now I don't know what to do with you. I'll put you in the bathtub for now. Here, enjoy yourself. I'm wet. Nice towel. Alright, this is a new bad boy. Now to screw you on. Oh my god, I'm probably gonna need 2 hands for this one maybe. The righty tighty lefty loosey. Is this gonna even fit over the hole? Oh my. seriously, we could have some issues. I think this could work, but I need 2 hands, so I'm gonna go and try this. I'm just like in love, it's so beautiful. Okay, look, I got it on. It doesn't really pivot back and forth like that other shower head. You can move it left, right, left to right, to side, front, back, hey. But see, like, you can rotate it. I don't know what it'll be like till we turn it on, but other than that, rotates this in itself. You see that? This thing rotates, and then that I don't know. But I'm hoping I got it on nice and tight. I say the next thing will be to replace this. It's getting nasty up here. So here's my new shower head. Put back to, like, I don't know. It's gonna have its advantages and disadvantages. Hopefully it won't ricochet off of here and out. So, ta-da. Ta-da. Ooh. There's my video for you of my new shower head. It looks so beautiful. So, you have the top half, the bottom half, the shower head. So, this sat down and placed on, okay, so it's showing you the filter and how to replace it, I guess. So unscrew your existing shower head, done do that, yeah. Clean the threads, whatever. Okay, so clockwise around the pipe head, got it. Screw the T3 source shower head into place. Flush with hot water for a minute before showering. Good to know for the next time I go take a shower, because last time it was cold water. And let me tell you, when you use the filter in your shower and you turn it on, black water shoots out everywhere. And depending on how you shower, it can make a mess. If the shower head is difficult to remove, try the following. Okay, so hello squiggles. We have settings, spray settings. Fine, medium massage, full, fine medium, medium massage, massage full, and fine full. Right here. Oh my gosh, filter replacement. There's my order number. Okay, and it comes with this little sticker where you put when it's supposed to be replaced. And they say stick it on a mirror, but I might not do that because I don't want to get in trouble. So, but I will put a date on here and place it somewhere where I'll see it to know when to get a new one. So, that's my riveting new shower head video. Thank you for watching, because it's beautiful.